I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can understand it fully. Appreciate my standing, go out of this world and right on time. Oh, never in my life have I seen the sky light up.
Hello and welcome to Lolly's Learning Curve. Today I'm going to be doing a product review on this Teach My Preschooler Learning Kit. It also comes in Teach My Baby, Teach My Toddler, and Teach My Kindergartner. The price range for this is between, depending on where you buy it, I've seen some as low as $30, but generally it's between $45 and $55. So what's inside? This particular kit is separated into 4 sections. Reading, this is math, numbers 1 through 100, and printing. So I'm going to start with I like the product, but with my least favorite part of it is the printing, only because this is the writing pad that they give you. It goes this way. This is the writing pad that you use for printing. On the back, it gives you some instructions on how to teach your child how to hold the pencil. It did have a small pencil, and this is the part I didn't like about it. The pencil wasn't like connected to it, so, and it was really small, and I felt like it was like a choking hazard, so I didn't really use this very much. I ended up buying my kids the, I think they're made by VTech, the writing tablets, and so those have been very good for us because the pens are connected to it, and they have all kinds of features on that. Anyway, so this is, it's still a good product though. Just gotta keep your eye on your child if you're concerned like I was concerned. The thing about this that I do like is that it comes with a whole bunch of stencils. What stencils? Traceables. The letter A, you would just put inside of here. Put it in here. You'd sit it in here and have your child trace the letter A and remove it. The A will be underneath because it's magnetic. You have uppercase, lowercase, shapes, numbers. They have a lot of stuff going on in here. So it's really good for, it is a really good product to for teaching your child how to write. Like I said, my only thing that I didn't like about this section was the pencil. I can't put that back in. The pencil that came with it. I didn't like it. But another thing that I like about this product is that every slot has not only the directions, but it gives you little activities that you can do with your child to help strengthen the writing skills. So it shows you how to use the traceables. It gives you different activities and how to do it and where to start, just in case you're a parent who's lost and you're like, okay, where do I begin? Because actually, to be honest with you, writing has been and is still the hardest thing for me with my kids. It has been really hard, but we've come a long way, and I'm so happy about where we are today. Okay. Reading. I think this is my favorite. Yes, it is my favorite. This is my favorite one because look how many books you get. You get 10 books, all different levels. They start in, it says step 1. And in step 1 is just telling you the sounds of A through I, letter sounds of A through I, so it's working with phonics. This one is J through R, that's step 2. It really breaks it down. Step 3 is S through Z, and then once you get the letter sounds down, they do some word families. And in some of these books, you also get some flashcards. So whatever is reviewed in here. So this one has et, og, un, ip, in words. And they give your child a couple of, well, let's see how early this is. It's been a while since we've been here. Okay, so and family, fan, van, cat, at family, cat, hat. So then at the end, you get these review cards once you go through it, and then you get to review these same words in there to get them familiarized with the sounds. And they have pictures on the back, which my kids love. And they have a couple of these like this. I'm actually not even sure if these cards go in. Next one is, this one is the Magic E. It shows how it changes from kit to kite with the E and the sounds. It does that throughout. So mop to mope, tot to tote, cup to cube, cut to cute, tub to tube, and then it has flashcards back here as well, also with pictures in the back to review. And that is step 5. Step 6 is high frequency words, also known as sight words. They have flashcards in here also. And in the book, they have sentences that they can read and practice. My oldest daughter in particular likes this green box, and it's been very helpful with her. Then we start to go into, I use it as a test to see where my kids are as far as reading, but there's level 1 reader, level 2 reader, level 3 reader, and level 4. So for example, level 1 reader would be like 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 3 words in a sentence. So this one is Nate, and it gives like a little story. Nate and Kate. It's very simple like that. Level 2 gets a little more detailed. Nate is on the bike. Kate is with the kite. So it gets a little more detailed in level 2. Level 3 takes it up a notch even further. So an example would be Kate and Sam and Pam are on the log. So it just takes it a step further, and then level 4, even further than that, and it starts to implement the Magic E and different things like that in here. So I really like this this portion, and again, it gives you activity ideas to do with your child while you're trying to teach them how to read, so that you don't feel so lost. And there's a little bit of structure there. Let's see what we got. Oh, the math. I like the math. This one has instructions also, some activities. It comes with a poster. It's front and back. This is addition. This is subtraction. And they have these little numbers that you can make the math problems with, and also these little, I'll just call them tokens, to use for the problems that you have. It's like little games. If you read the instructions, it shows you how to use this stuff. Okay. The problem I have with this one is kind of a weird problem, but I don't like all these numbers. It's too many numbers. There's so many numbers. Look at all these numbers. Oh, they're so tiny. It's a mess. But that's okay. So this is the addition sign, and so what it does show them how to set up math problems. So you can take the 1 plus 5. Oh, oh, lost one. 1 plus 5, and it'll, you know, show them how it equals 6. It has an equal sign. I do like that it has this little math book, and it has addition and subtraction in here. So it doesn't go up that high. So you get to, you know, use the little tokens, like I said, to complete the problem. So 2 plus 3, and then once it goes up so high, let me see, where does it go to? Oh, looks like that's about it. Then it turns into subtraction. I think this is really cool. Yeah, really cool, really neat. And again, it will give you instructions, and then it also gives you activity ideas while you're trying to teach your child. So the next step is counting. The counting, actually, you know what, guys, I'm missing, they have a little, it comes with like a little tin can that you can put, like, well, I put stickers in it to give my kids when they were doing good, you know, when they were doing good work. So I don't know where I put my can. Okay, forgive me, I don't know where it is. But this is numbers 1 through 100. I like this because it comes with a big poster board. And actually, I'm thinking about putting this up on the wall in their learning room / playroom. So it has 1 through 100. And so sometimes what I do is I'll put this on the floor, and I'll gather my kids around, and I'll call out a number and see who can find the number first. That's something that we play together on here. I'm not sure if that's something that's in the activities instructions, but that's just something I do. They also have the number train book where they just count page after page of counting until they get to 100, and then they have on the back another number chart to 100. It's a lot of repetition. And they also have flashcards that go up to 100. And the neat thing about these flashcards is on the back, it shows them how to spell it. So it's pretty cool. Actually, I didn't really use these flashcards, only because I have so many flashcards. But we do use this poster a lot. Okay. Overall, I would rate this product, I would say like a 9 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10, only because, again, the pencil was kind of small, and it's gone. I don't have it. And the little numbers. Those are the only 2 things that I didn't like about it. I love the reading section, and I like the math section a lot. I really like the poster board for the counting, and the writing, the printing section. I really like those little stencil, not the stencil, I keep saying that, the little traceables. They teach them how to trace numbers, letters, uppercase and lowercase, and shapes. And so that I haven't done that in a long time, but I'm going to have to do it again with my other small children. But I remember that my 2 oldest really liked to do the tracing. But that's one of the reasons why I ended up getting them another writing tablet, because they really liked it. But yeah, pretty good product overall. Again, the price point on average is like $45 to $55. Not a bad investment at all. It's like the gift that keeps on giving. And even though it says preschool, you could definitely, depending on the level of your child, you could start earlier or start later, like in kindergarten or before. Like right now, if your child is getting ready to go to kindergarten, this will be something great to do over the summer to get your child ready to go. If your child is an earlier, is a little more advanced, this is really good to just sharpen up their skills and to get them going. The flashcards, I really like the flashcards. There's so many things I like about this pack, but it's, worth every dollar in my opinion. Check it out. Again, they have the Teach My Baby, Teach My Toddler, and Teach My Kindergartner. all great products. One of my friends, I believe she has a Teach My Kindergartner, and she said it's a really good product. I checked out the pictures of some of them have telling time and all kinds of fun stuff. So yeah, check it out. I purchased it on Walmart.com, but I did see it on some other places like Amazon. If you're interested, give it check it out. If you have any other questions about it, let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and like and share this video because maybe this could help someone else. Thank you so much. You have a blessed day.